Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the Bright Starts Rainforest Vibes this time. And we're gonna see how my baby brother likes it. So let's get right onto the video. It must be like so relaxing because he already fell asleep in it. Like, look at him. He is literally in dreamland. So his thoughts? Sleepy. So once he's awake, let's see how he likes it. So he finally just woke up. Oh, look at him. He's like, oh, what is this strange object? He's staring at this thing. And now he's staring at both of them. It's very loose. You could like easily fall out. His thoughts. Excuse me. How are you feeling about this seat? Oh, look at his face. He's like genuinely confused. So, I'll see how he responds and give you the information. Look at him, he's so cute. His final thoughts. It is much better when only one foot is in. Like, look at his face. When both feet were in, he was like, I don't like this that much. But now with only one foot, he is loving it. And this is like pretty much sitting for him. He's only 9 days old. Look how cute he is. Look at that little face. So yeah, that's his final thoughts.